Hey family, today we are doing a quick and easy and super simple steak kebab recipe. These are the ingredients that I am using, so let's get into it. So the first thing that we are going to do is cut up our bell pepper and our onion, and you just want to cut them into either a square or a triangular piece where it can fit on the skewer around the same size of the meat that you're cutting, and it's not too small or too big. I'm just gonna be quiet, you guys, and let y'all watch, because literally this is self-explanatory, because it's just that simple and easy. Cutting up the veggies, cut the meat, and stack them on the skewer, season it, put it on the grill. That's all. So, hope y'all enjoy it. And I also want to add, you guys, there is no right or wrong way to do this. You don't have to do it my way. Also, you can add anything you want to add to the skewer. You can add potatoes. You can add any other type of veggies. You can add tomatoes, pineapple, whatever you want to add. You can even put a sauce on this. It's whatever you want to do. The possibilities are endless. This is just the base of it that I'm giving you guys, and you can run with it the way you want to run. Do it like how you like to do it, boo. Right here I'm seasoning it, and what you want to do is season one side and then you flip it over and season the other side. The seasonings I am using was in the beginning of the video, but I will also list them in the description below. She looks right here before I slap her on the grill. Yes, and right here I'm just showing a few things we had going on the grill that day. And if you guys have never had cabbage on the grill, you're missing out. That's all I got to say about that. Not going any further with it, but you turn those a few times on the grill, let them smoke, and this is the finished result right here. If you like this video, please subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye. Love you.